Talk about adjoining Delhi because another controversy here seems to be brewing just weeks ahead of the assembly elections. There is another instance of Delhi LG versus the Delhi Chief Minister who have now seemingly locked horns on an issue. While extending New Year greetings to the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi, the Delhi LG VK Saxena hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party national convener and former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for calling Atishi as a temporary Chief Minister. Now, the Delhi LG in his letter also stated that the Aam Aadmi Party convener has not only insulted Atishi, but also the will of the President of India and by extension the LG himself when Kejriwal stated that Atishi was actually a temporary Chief Minister. He has been highlighting several issues, especially when it comes to the previous governance, pointing out that warnings issued by Delhi government departments regarding certain schemes that have been announced and promoted by Arvind Kejriwal himself were reportedly non-existent. And now the comparison that is now being drawn with her predecessor, even when it comes to his alleged reluctance to take on administrative responsibilities. However, the Delhi LG has been praising Atishi, claiming that she has been doing her work well, unlike her predecessor Arvind Kejriwal. However, the Chief Minister has now hit back at the Delhi LG, saying that he should rather focus on Vikas, which is development, than indulging in petty politics, saying that she is working under the leadership and the guidance of Arvind Kejriwal. Let's get in a word from Sabyasachi right now. Sabyasachi, good morning. What does this letter imply? Because here, when it comes to New Year greetings that were supposed to be exchanged between the two leaders, however, Atishi being called as a temporary Chief Minister has not gone down well with the Delhi Lieutenant Governor.
Well, that's right. See, the Lieutenant Governor of the National Capital has written a letter to the Delhi Chief Minister Atishi. In that letter, the Delhi LG has highlighted that he is hurt by Delhi former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal calling Atishi as a temporary CM. Now, the LG says that it is not only an insult to Atishi, but also an insult to her appointee, that is the President of India, and to an extension to the LG as well as her representative. Now, the LG also praised her in the letter. The LG also highlighted that the mismanagement of the Delhi government, also highlighted the pollution that is taking place in Yamuna. Also, he spoke about the unsanctioned announcement that is made by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal in public spaces regarding the Mahila Samman Yojana as well as the Sanjeevani Yojana. Now, in reply to the Lieutenant Governor, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi also wrote a letter back to him. Now, Atishi said that the Lieutenant Governor should not indulge in petty politics, but should rather focus on the betterment of the people of the national capital, as the LG time and again has been creating an obstruction in the development work of the national capital, focusing on the two schemes that was announced by Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. And Atishi also highlighted that she is walking
with the New Year's, it seems that this face-off will intensify only till the elections that are announced for the Delhi Assembly. Thank you very much for the moment, Sabyasachi. But exactly to highlight what the Delhi LG has said, saying that for the first time he saw a Chief Minister who is actively performing her duties. He's been praising Atishi on the work that has been done, especially when it comes to the issues of administration, and she's been taking charge of many government departments as well. However, unlike what Arvind Kejriwal, when he was the Chief Minister, he did not have a single department of the government, neither did he sign any files. However, this has been a part of the ongoing controversy in the national capital. Let's move on. And